Oh, you seen a fish dick? What a fish dick look like?
Nigga, I'm realest nigga on my face. Oh!
Bro, girls are mad lady.
Yo!
Alright, man. First ever vlog in these Slap Boys history, man. You already know the biz. We finna go get some food. We hungry as fuck. We just woke up. Last night we was up for a minute. We was recording these bangers. You already know how it go.
Hey, album soon.
Hey, album coming soon, bro. Y'all already know how it be. We about to go get some food. We hungry as fuck. So we'll see y'all in the next clip.
You a dog and your home girl too, ayy. She hit me back like your dog is too, ayy. We can meet up, we can meet.
Can we get Chick-fil-A sauce with them too?
My burger, my guy.
And then can I have a Chick-fil-A deluxe?
The smoke, 2 to 3K with the scope. It's the come long as a rope. Blueface, baby. Yeah. Alright. Ooh. Hold up. Look at the fuck.
Hey, bro. How the fish is fuck? Like, is it like penguins? Like do they like lay an egg and like the fucking dude sits on you? I'm for real. How the fish is fuck? Do they just lay eggs? Like they don't have to fuck?
Okay.
They don't have to fuck or
So you
what?
just be laying eggs?
Mm-hmm.
I'm fucking not.
So
So
niggas just, alright,
I can't ask questions.
Drop
though?
an egg.
I can't ask questions.
How's the fish gonna sit on the egg? You're just swimming.
I ain't.
How the fuck is it gonna have babies in the first place?
Some niggas start, bro. You know, fucking like seahorses, bro.
Where does the egg come out from?
Bro, seahorses could just like they just get eggs.
Nah,
And
they,
it's like
they gotta everything that's like put on this planet is.
Oh, you seen a fish dick? What a fish dick look like?
Nigga, I'm not looking at
Ain't no
fish
fishes
dicks,
got
though.
dicks, bro.
I ain't looking
Fishes
at no
don't got
fish
dicks. You can't act like that's a stupid question because fishes don't got dicks.
How do you know that?
How they fucking?
How do you know that?
Just think about a fish. You picture a dick when you think about a fish.
I ain't thinking about dicks in the first place.
Do you picture a dick?
Do you
Well,
picture
when I
dicks?
think about fishes that hold on, let me explain this. When I think about fishes that I've seen, I've never seen a fish with a dick. Right? You know what I'm saying? Like,
I ain't just thinking about fish's dicks though.
ain't nobody think about fish's dicks. I'm just saying when you think of a fish, you don't see no dick. Or when you look at a fish, like look one up. There's no dick.
Alright, if they have dicks, I'm gonna put it right here and hopefully this shit don't get fucking fucked.
Fish dick?
Fish dick right.
Oh.
Right here.
Okay, act like it's a stupid question, but I'm for real right now. Alright guys. So we had our meal, you know what I'm saying? We well and fed now, you know, but time to get down to business. So hold on boys, moment of silence. We lost Offset. Fern's fish. He's gone now.
Better place though.
Cue the clip.
Cue the
Offset, I have a clip.
So that was him. Y'all know Offset very well. He was a very dear friend of ours. He was part of the Slap Boys, but he needs a replacement. You know, we can't just go on without a fish. He's part of us, you know what I'm saying? So we on our way. About to go get a new fish. Y'all about to see the clips and shit of us getting a new fish for the boy Fern, you know what I'm saying? He about to be bigger and he about to be better. Nobody's gonna live up to Offset's legacy.
No one's gonna.
Not his legacy, but the image. It's gonna be right. We know that.
That was well put. That was beautiful.
That was beautiful.
That was beautiful.
Amen.
Let's get it.
Bro. This one's straight crippin' right here.
Hey, no homo, bro. Look for his dick, bro.
Oh, this is cool, bro. It's like a salamander, right?
No.
It's chameleon.
Chameleon.
Is that one a salamander?
It's a frog, bro.
Bro, it's food for snakes.
No, it's not.
I want to pet it.
Can it be?
Yeah.
All right, then.
Rapping over here.
Oh,
Going crazy.
oh, we're taking off the weed. Oh. World star. Oh, and he's getting the Glock out. Oh, come from behind.
He's trying to figure out the strats.
The jukes.
Oh. He's about to catch him slipping.
This one's just straight. This one cannot be bothered right here.
Oh, he came out.
Is he even slick?
You say you coming right here, kid?
We had no luck buying a little fishy here, so we're gonna go to a different fish store.
Nobody's gonna ever live up to Offset. I hope you know that. So Petco is mad fucking weak. We on our way to PetSmart because that shit was whack. They barely had anything. I mean, there was
There's
some
cool.
there was some cool chameleons, which I thought were salamanders. But hey, that's besides the fucking point.
Play the clip.
It's like a salamander, right?
No.
We're on our way to PetSmart to get this dude a fish, try and replace Offset. Obviously nothing could replace Offset, but we're gonna try. So let's get it.
Where? 21 Savage. Oh, no littering? Make America green again, bro. Oh.
Save the world.
Save the world. Save the environment. Make sure you don't litter, guys. Oh yeah, we in the trenches now. The dragon skill beta, bro. Come on, stop playing with me.
Hey, they going to a better home. Y'all stuck in it.
Flex on him. Yeah.
Man, he had a good lure. He got out. All right, so what are the fishies' names?
After a lot of planning, we decided to get a Black Molly.
Two of them.
Two dents. This one's Kodak. We got a little Dalmatian up here. This one.
Yeah, the one's up there.
This one's Yachty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a little boat.
Little boat.
Little boat.
Say what?
Get the bait real quick, bro. Get the bait. I got you, bro. Right back here.
Hey, bro, I think he fucked you up, bro. Look.
Oh, shit.
Bro, he fucked up right here.
Damn,
Bro, you fucked him up right here.
Just make it a design.
Watch out. Flip, bro.
You want to put it? It's cool. I'll fix it, bro. I'll fix it.
Get the liners.
Oh,
Why'd you go the wrong direction, bro?
Turn around. Bro, he fucked your shit up, bro.
Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, they don't add to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get. Gay ass nigga.
Oh, buddy. Yeah.
Bro, you getting it?
That worked?
Okay.
That fucking worked, bro.
Since when am I smart? Since when the fuck am I smart?
Segregated the fish.
That shit worked, bro. I'm a fucking genius.
A salamander, right?
No.
Yo, bro, drive that
What's
bitch.
his name?
Yachty.
Yachty.
Welcome, Yachty, to the slap
To the
boys.
slap boys.
Alright, so we realized we didn't have an outro for this video, so we don't. This is the outro. Right? This is the outro. So
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on push notifications, share it with the homies. Yeah.
other than that, thank you for watching and enjoy this clip.
Bye.